Alright, hello and welcome to day 5 of Project Auction Kart. I don't know if you watched the last video on the bolts I talked about being painted on the table. Well, they all look nice and everything, but there's a lot of bolts here and washers that I have no fucking clue on where the hell they go. So hopefully you enjoy this episode of me fucking this shit up. Let's get to it. Oh, shit. Damn, I fucked that up. There it is. Alright, I found it. Alright, well, finish off the video. I think we're going to use the Klein Strip Premium Stripper. Get rid of all this paint. So I'll let you watch that in action and end the video with that. Alright, we've reached the end of day 5. The paint thinner ended up not working out, so I ended up just hand sanding everything here. Threw a shot of primer on it and ran out of paint, so calling a night on that. Got the spindles painted up, those are ready to go. Other than that, we are just waiting on the paint here and we can put everything back together. Oh yeah, and I still needed to finish the rear axle and brake and then the seat.